Want to know what I'm eating? I made a white bean hummus Greek bowl, some charred naan, and a dill vinaigrette. It's pretty freaking amazing. Want to learn how to make it? Let's go. So, really simple, basic. You could probably make this using up leftover veggies that you might have, which is kind of what I'm doing. I had a little feta, a little cucumber, a little tomato, a little red onion, a little bit of dill. We're gonna make a little vinaigrette to go on top of that. Put it over some white bean creamy hummus, and then sop it all up with some charred up naan. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna make a little vinaigrette because when I put the bowl together, I'm gonna drizzle this on top. I'm using 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. I'm going to grate 1 clove of garlic. We're gonna roll and juice 1 lemon as well. Use the zest right into the bowl. You can do this right into a mason jar as well and save it and use it on salads, wraps, whatever you like during the week. Juice of 1 lemon right in. Use your muscles. And then I'm going to do probably around 3 sprigs of dill. Just give them a nice rough chop. I trimmed them off of the stem, but the dill is gonna give a nice bright flavor and some nice color when we drizzle it on top. Season it up. Some black pepper and sea salt. Okay. Let's give it a little whirl. It's gonna be on the thicker side, which is okay because we're gonna layer this on top. Grab yourself a plate, get your hummus. Now, I'm gonna make this because we're all gonna be sharing this here at my house. So we're gonna make a nice platter of it, but you can save all of this in your fridge and use this up during the week. I'm gonna plop some of that hummus right down in the middle. I'm gonna use a spoon and spread it all out. Do whatever you want. I'm doing a Greek style, so we're gonna put some tomatoes, some cucumbers, a little bit of feta, do some red onion right over the top, one more tomato in this corner, one more cucumber in between the tomatoes, one more red onion over here, one more feta in this corner, taking some fresh dill to kind of go around. This is a great thing you can do for an appetizer. You can bring it. It can be your hummus bowl lunch. Nice, light, and easy. Oh yeah. And you can take that vinaigrette, drizzle it right on over. Still warm. Tear. Hold on. Scoop up your Greek bite. That's really good.